Now students, we will see what is the next question which is given to us. In this question, we are asked, what is the question? In which of the following compounds oxygen is attached to alkyl carbon atoms? It means we are asked to find the organic compound in which oxygen atom is attached to alkyl carbon atoms. Right students? So in order to find which compound is correct, we will write the general formulas for the given organic compounds. The first compound which is given is alcohols. Right students? So we will write the general formula for alcohol. What is the general formula for alcohol students? The general formula for alcohol is ROH. So we write the general formula for alcohol, that is ROH. Right students? Now the next compound which is given is phenol. Phenol can be written as C6H5OH. Right students? Or we can write phenol like this way. With benzene ring we will attach hydroxyl group. ठीक है ना? We will write the benzene ring, and with benzene ring we attach hydroxyl group. This is the formula for general formula for phenol. Next molecule which is given is ether. We write the general formula for ether. The general formula for ethers are ROR. This is the general formula for ethers. And the last compound, option D, which is given is esters. We write the general formula for esters, that is R C double bond O OR. This is the general formula for ester. Now students, we will find which is the correct option with the help of these general formulas. Once again, we will see the question which is given. The question is, in which of the following compounds oxygen is attached to alkyl carbon atoms? Right students? Now we will see the first option. Here oxygen atom is attached with, in the case of alcohols, oxygen atom is attached with one alkyl carbon. Right students? So that's why this option is not correct. Here in the question, alkyl carbon atoms, it means oxygen is attached with more than one alkyl carbon atoms. That's why the first option is not correct. Now see the second option. Here oxygen atom is attached with benzene ring. Oxygen atom is attached with benzene ring. That's why this option is also not correct. Now see the option number C. Here you can notice oxygen is attached with two alkyl carbon atoms. Oxygen is attached with two alkyl carbon atoms. Right students? So that's why this option is correct. So what is the correct option here? Option number C. If we see the option number D, here oxygen is attached with one carbon. Oxygen is attached with carbonyl carbon atom, and on other side here oxygen is attached with one alkyl carbon atom. So that's why this option is also not correct. Right students? So now we will see what is the correct option. Option number C is the correct option. This is the correct option. In this option, oxygen is attached with two alkyl carbon atoms. I hope this question is clear to you students. Now students, we will see the next question which is given. In the next question, we will see the question, which of the following compound is an alcohol? Right students? The question which is given is, we are asked to choose alcohol from the given organic compounds. Now students, we will see these compounds which are given and we will identify which one is alcohol. Now the first compound which is given, we will write the general formula with the help of the structure which is given here. This part is R, right students, and it is connected with oxygen, right students, and this part is again R. So ROR, this is, what is ROR students? This is ether. That's why this is not correct. Since it is ether, so this is not correct because we are asked to choose alcohol. Now see the second option which is given. This is alkyl part, that is R. Alkyl part is connected with COOH. So this compound is carboxylic acid. What is the nature of this compound students? This is carboxylic acid, right? So that's why this is also not correct. The third compound which is given, C6H5. This is benzene ring. What is C6H5? This is benzene ring. With benzene ring, if hydroxyl group is attached, then it is known as phenol. This is phenol. That's why this is not correct. Similarly, the last compound here is, this is the alkyl part, and alkyl part is attached with hydroxyl group. Dear students, we know very well, if alkyl group is attached with hydroxyl group, then the functional group is alcohol. Alcohol. So which is the correct option, students? Option number D is correct option. Right, students? I hope this question is clear to you, students. Now we will see the next question. Now in the next question we are asked to find the functional group amine. ठीक है, हमने इसमें से क्या find करना है कि which one is amine from the given functional groups. Now students, here we can notice the first functional group which is given. हमने देखना है जो पहला functional group हमें given है वो क्या है? OH, hydroxyl group. This is hydroxyl group and usually it is present in alcohols. The first one is, which functional group is there? A hydroxyl group. It is present in alcohols. Alcohols, right, students? The second one, COOH group, carboxylic group. Usually this group is present in carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. The third one, NH2 group. This group is amino group. Students, if we remove one hydrogen from ammonia, it changes to amine. So NH2 group is amino group. Amino group, and amino group is usually present in amines, right? NH2 group, it is usually present in amines. So which is the correct option? Option number C is correct, since NH2 group is present in amines. While this compound, the last one, a CHO group. CHO group is known as a formyl group. Formyl group, and usually this group is present in aldehydes. Aldehydes. So which is the correct option, students? Option number C is correct. Right, students? I hope this is clear to you, students. Now we'll see the next question which is given. In the next question, we are asked, formic acid contain functional group. We are asked to find the functional group which is present in formic acid. यानी हमने देखना है कि formic acid में कौन सा functional group मौजूद होता है. Some functional groups are given to us and we are asked to choose which functional group is present in formic acid. ठीक है, students? Now we will write the functional groups which are present here, and then we will see which functional group is present in formic acid. The first functional group is hydroxyl group. Right, students? And this group is present in alcohols. Alcohols. A CO group. CO group को हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. This is carbonyl group. ठीक है? This group is known as carbonyl group. This is carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. Right, students? And this group is present in number of organic compounds like ketones, etc., like aldehyde, etc. The next group which is present, this group is COOH group. COOH group is known as a carboxylic group. A carboxylic group. Formic acid, carboxylic acid. Right, students? So this, we can write the structural formula for this group like this. So this is the functional group which is present in formic acid. Dear students, if we write the molecular formula for formic acid, or the structural formula for formic acid, it is HCOOH. We can notice here formic acid contain carboxylic functional group. So which is the correct option? Option number C is the correct option. Now option number D is a CHO group. A CHO group is known as aldehyde, a formyl group, right? And this formyl group is usually present in aldehydes. Aldehydes. So option number C is correct. Dear students, I hope MCQs are clear to you.